Greetings, dear students. The question is calculate the binding energy in mega electron volts for iron. Mass of iron nucleus is given 9.28 into 10 power negative 36 kgs. Mass of neutron is also given, that is 938.257 mega electron volts. That is the rest mass for the neutron, and the rest mass for proton is also given. First of all, for iron nucleus, the atomic number is 56. You have to memorize that. Atomic number is 26, so the number of protons, they are also 26. Mass number is 56. The number of neutrons and number of protons, they constitute the mass. So the number of neutrons would be 56 minus 26. It would give you 30. So number of neutrons are 30. Now for the binding energy, mass of the mass defect has to be calculated. Let's just calculate this in energies. This would be Z into the mass of protons plus N into the mass of neutrons. Atomic number here is 26. The mass of protons in electron volts, it is given 939.551. Sorry, I have used it wrongly. This is the mass of neutron, this is for the mass of proton. So if I use the eraser and let's just turn it to be 938.257 plus the neutrons, they are 30 into the mass of neutron, 939.551 mega electron volts. If you multiply these two, you would be getting the energy to be 52581.212 mega electron volts. Right. Now the mass of the nucleus, it is given, and it is equal to 9.28 into 10 raised to the power negative 36 kgs. For energy to be calculated, it's calculated by multiplying the mass with the speed of light squared. Mass is 9.28 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 36 times the speed of light, which is 3 into 10 power 8 squared, and if you simplify them, the answer would be 8.3592 10 to the power negative 9. That is obviously in joules or joules. In order to convert it into electron volts, you have to divide it by the charge of electron, or that is 8.3592 10 to the power negative 9 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power negative 90. This would give you 5.2245 electron volts, and 10 to the power negative 9 and negative 19. When you move it upwards, it would become 10 to the power positive 19. 9 plus positive 19, you would be having E equals 5.2245 multiplied by 10 to the power 10 electron volts. Now the energy that we calculated for protons and neutrons that would constitute an iron nucleus, it is in mega electron volts. So convert this one into the mega electron volts. How would we do that? This is very easy. Mega equals 10 to the power 6. So let's just divide it into two parts. Just separate the power into two parts, 10 to the power 4 and 10 to the power 6. If you combine them, it would again constitute 10. Now 5.2245. There are 4 digits here and the power is also 4. So what you can do is you can write it 52245. 10 to the power 6 is mega and electron volt will be written as it is. Now for calculating the binding energy, it is the energy for protons and neutrons, that is 52581.212 mega electron volts. That is for the protons and neutrons. Negative the energy of the nucleus, that is 52245 mega electron volts. And if you subtract both of them, the answer would be 336.212 mega electron volts. So this is the answer. This question, if this question comes in the exam, it would be just containing 3 marks. So this is a simplified way of doing it quite quickly. Thanks a lot.